Here with Southern Section Assistant Commissioner Rob Wygod. Rob, I think for fans of San Gabriel Valley, this is going to be pretty good news today. Bishop Amat, despite losing the Serra League title game to Alemany, got the number 4 seed today. They finished with a 9-1 overall record. Can you tell me what helped them get that 4 seed?
Well, what we did, Fred, was we decided that when we have two teams that close together, in this case Long Beach Poly and Bishop Amat, the feeling was we would apply our at-large criteria that we use to select teams for those at-large positions. So what we did was we looked at, did they play each other? No, they did not. Did they have any common opponents? No, they did not. So those two factors didn't apply, but there were some factors that did. For example, overall record. Bishop Amat at 9-1, Long Beach Poly at 8-2. That would give a point, if you will, to Bishop Amat. The next thing would be strength of league. The league rankings would arguably put Serra League stronger than the Moore League, so that would be another point to go towards Bishop Amat's way. The other thing we use is overall strength of schedule, taking the win-loss records of all the opponents that both teams have played this year. Ironically, Bishop Amat's opponents were 60 wins against 40 losses. Long Beach Poly's were 59 wins against 41 losses. Well, that to me was arguably even. We weren't going to take one over the other, so we didn't really reward any points for the strength of schedule. But then when it all remained, still there were 2 points towards Bishop Amat, 0 points for Long Beach Poly in our criteria. And again, the close game between Bishop Amat and Alemany, we just felt that Bishop Amat deserved the number 4 seed.
Very good. Bishop Amat will play Tesoro next Friday, and there you have it from the man who worked 15 hours on Saturday to put this together. Rob, thank you very much for answering the question for us.
No problem. Thank you, Fred.
Thank you.